Welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name's Randy. This is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. So, if it's a hobby of yours, you're interested in it, whatever the case may be, please hit that subscribe button down below. Share us with your friends. Give us that thumbs up. It really helps us out a lot. Okay, so today what we're going to be doing is we're going to make a sugar wash for a vodka. Okay, and then stay tuned for a little later. I got a special request for everybody to help me out. Okay, the question is, what is a vodka? Vodka is a clear, unaged product from any fermentable sugar. You know, like table sugar, grain, starches, and such. It's a very pure ethanol alcohol, and then it's a neutral spirit, and the standard proof is about 80 proof. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to make a sugar wash. Alright, so I put some sanitizer solution in the fast fermenter, and I'm heating up some water now to help melt the sugar, dissolve the sugar in that. So we'll be right back and we'll get to it. Okay, so we're going to add about 16 pounds of sugar to this fast fermenter, which will end up with about 6 gallons is what we're aiming for, and that should give us a 1.096 if we did the math right. I did sanitize the fermenter with star sand. This is a very easy, sugar wash is very easy to make. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll get all this mixed in there, and then I'll be back. Okay, I got her filled up to about the 6 gallon mark. It's at about 83 degrees. I think that'd be fine. So what we need to do is check the specific gravity of it. So what we'll do is I'll just get a drop, put on my refractometer, and we'll see what we got. Woo! 1.125. Ooh, it's a little bit stronger than I thought. So, 1.125, so I'll have to write that down. We're going to add some yeast nutrient. Stir that in. So then I'll get some Daddy's yeast. It is Red Star Distillers Active Dry Yeast. Alright, and it says here for you put like a 1/4 teaspoon per gallon. And you can't overpitch. And that's basically is all there is to a sugar wash. What I'll do is put the top on it. We'll put the airlock on it, and then we'll let that do its thing. So let me sanitize that. Put this on here. Okay. What we're going to do with this, I'm going to be making some vodka, and I need some help from everybody because what I wanted to do was some infusions. Like say a basil infusion, a blueberry infusion, whatever I can get some ideas for them. So if I could get everybody to leave a comment below to what maybe would be a good infusion or what your ideal is, I'll tally them up and we'll probably make, I don't know, maybe 5 or 6. And then we'll come back and let everybody know how they taste and all that good stuff. So yes, so please leave a message below of what your favorite infusion might be or whatever your ideal is. And then I just want to say thanks for watching and enjoy the adventure.